Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoy these videos I've been making. I am planning to make some more very soon as this cold snaps away. It's been a little drag with all this temperature and everything. So hope you guys like this video and please subscribe. Thank you so far with the people who have subscribed the last couple weeks and watch the last videos. This year's been kind of crazy, and hopefully I can keep make more high quality videos than the ones I have now to give you more contents, more features, more performance to my builds and stuff like that. So thank you. Thank you very much. It means very much to me, and I hope you guys can subscribe and keep on following because I really want to push this channel as far as I can. So it means very much. So for my last one video, got over 1,200 views. That was really, I think, my second or third video I ever made on 2020. I'm very thankful for it. And I hope you guys can watch my other videos and subscribe. To help me boost up much as I could, give me more subscribers. This channel needs a lot. I know it's kind of hard to make a judgment call for the quality, the features, what you guys want, and I'm trying my best. And it's difficult in a way, especially trying to get started, trying to do much as features on the budget and everything. So, and especially I'm not very good in the weather temperatures at all. So I have a hard time getting energy. It's kind of been hard on me. Hopefully, maybe in the future I can move somewhere warm that I have no issues with energy, etc. Because it's been really dragging me pretty good. So yeah. So yeah, just watch this video and hope you guys can subscribe right after this. Will help me a lot. Thank you. About to install these LEDs on my aunt's Toyota Tacoma 2016. I drive this vehicle every like Tuesday or Saturday, whatever she has me available as a part-time job. So, and when we need to do some errands after work wise, I drive this for her because she doesn't want to drive at night. So, and I have a hard time seeing naturally with these lights come stock, these halogens. So instead of going to like HIDs, I used to have HIDs in the past. Always had a couple of issues with the ballast go out on one side and the other ballast go out the next time. Then the HIDs will wear out after a year, or if you don't get the right actually proper HIDs itself. AC is a very good HID design. It gives you more illumination compared to the DC version. So if you want to really look for HIDs, recommend to get AC styles. If you don't, you'll have less illumination, might have some glitching issues with the headlights from factory. So make sure you do your research and everything for what to look for. So let me get these LEDs installed, just because I have on my Civic, and my stepdad has on his truck though too, and he loves them. He thought it was an awesome idea to do. He has our time seeing at night as well. And let's get these ones installed. These are actually from Amazon, and being cheap as it is, so, and I think these are still decently worth actually upgrading compared to another halogen with a different type of gas and all the stuff that's inside of it, or a higher wattage in it. So, and I haven't really tried this brand yet, but I've seen the reviews and they got really good reviews on it so far, and it's over like 2,000 views on it. So let's give this a go and see how these are. I'm under the engine bay. I had grabbed some stuff at my house to compensate the stuff that she has that's in the way, like this big harness steel zip tie out of the way, and I got a test light, more zip ties, and some cutting pliers so I can cut the zip tie apart. The reason why I got a test light, and a lot of people might know, and people they don't know, that LEDs are one-way diodes, so it's only a certain way you can actually install these. So you could probably damage the LED, or you could damage the car itself, so make sure you get positive on one side. So I have this so I can test the light on this. Let me get this all on here quick. I got the test light on the positive connection, so we're going to test the wire with the negative side. Hopefully I can get it out. Show you what the LEDs look like out of the box. There's 6 diodes on the side and 6 on this. So it had to be perfectly aligned, just like this when you stick them in. Yeah, this it's not too bad. Like I'm guessing this little box here is to keep away from the heat. So let's get this fitted in and see how it works. Pretty decently bright. You can see that I'm roughly about 15 feet away from it. It's very clear. You can see the pretty good line around the edging and all this stuff like that. It's not like the very sharpest, but it's enough to actually see pretty clearly that these lights are very noticeable compared it would be stock. Stock is very dimming, not pleasing to really see, and it's hard to see for especially older people too, like my grandma or my aunt or anybody else. So it gives you an aspect of it's time to upgrade lights for the future, because LEDs probably going to be hitting pretty hard pretty soon for a lot of companies and manufacturers. They're already doing it right now, but it'll get even better. So let's get this LED to keep on going with it in the future for this stuff. Yeah, so far with these lights I put into my aunt's Toyota Tacoma 2016, they're very noticeable bright. They're way better than the halogens we're in. I could barely see within 5 feet in front of me with the factory light bulbs in. Although could it be the factory light bulbs are starting to die out? Who knows? But with these LEDs, I could see basically right from here to the back bumper of that vehicle. That's really good. And especially like living in Ohio, you have a lot of obstacles you have to worry about. Other cars don't have lights on. Animals like deer, dogs around the roads. You just don't want to you just really want to avoid the situation of things in your way. So it's good to have a clear idea what to look for if you want to upgrade your lights. So it's basically this kind of video is upgrading your lights from seeing front, behind you, inside your car and everything. Just give you a better eye view, especially some people in their age, or some people have like disease, they have a eye disease, they can't really see clearly. So the only way to do is to find a better coloring for the view of brightness. And white is the purest color to actually see from, and these show a very clear white view of your surroundings. So that's a very good idea to look for if you want to upgrade your lights completely. So white is the purest color, about 4500K to 5000K. These LEDs, they show that they're actually 6000K, but the lights can be very different when you put it in a different housing, headlights with a projector in it, or naturally though too you have a different wattage of view of how the car's supplied. So it gives you a really good idea what to really look for of lights design. So so I hope you guys like this video and see what you want to do. And although these are also Amazon lights too, and 90% of the lights you will find these days, if people are trying to go on to buy it, are probably really cheap so they can afford. And in the aspect of life is you have to be on yourself on a budget in a way, so it's a good idea to look at people's reviews and see what other people say about it from the links that you see, YouTube. If actually a headlight company actually does views on other brands, headlights, lights, and everything. Though, like with these with the halogen style projectors and LEDs though too, and how it projects the lighting and the focus points of the light. It's not going to be the strongest. Would be in a very high quality a focus point for any lights, but these do very well to see where you're going. I'm not really worrying about a focus point. I'm really worried about see where I'm going and make sure I'm doing a proper job for protection for myself and others for any other issue. So give me the ideas. Give this an idea. It's just a aspect of just make sure you follow what you need to look for on the budget and how much, if it's actually idea for this car. And so far, me looking at this, and I find these actually pretty decent. So I have other headlights in my car, headlight bulbs in my car itself, and they both do really good job. I can't really see much a difference between GTR Lighting Ultra 2s versus the Amazon brand versions, the 2020 models. So yeah, these are doing a really good job in a way to give you a comfort of a budget. So I will be doing more videos soon with LEDs. It might be coming soon or later. I just need to get through this winter deal because it's cold. So hope you guys like this, and please subscribe. Thank you.